guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sherilyn. Welcome to Sherilyn of Foodie Chara. Today we are going to make another soup recipe, and this is called Arroz Caldo. Arroz Caldo is very similar to Chinese porridge or congee. This is usually cooked with rice and some chicken, and this is one of my comfort food and is very good and healthy and perfect when you have a stomach upset or you're not feeling good. Congee is perfect soup for you. So let's go make some congee. For our ingredients, we have chicken wings. You can absolutely use any chicken meat. Right now I have chicken wings. This is around 8 pieces. We have 1 cup glutinous rice, 1/2 cup jasmine rice, 5 pieces garlic cloves minced, half white onion minced, ginger, my thumb size of ginger, I minced it, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper, 1 hard-boiled egg, at least around 1/4 cup freshly chopped green onions, roughly crushed pork rinds or chicharron, and lemongrass. If you can be able to find lemongrass in your store or anywhere else, don't skip the lemongrass. This is really gives extra flavor on your arroz caldo or congee. And of course we need 4 cups of water. Before we start anything else, we're going to rinse our rice. We'll put our glutinous rice and jasmine rice together, and we'll just give this a quick rinse. Okay guys, let's start cooking. So in a preheated pan, we can add in around 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay, next we can put in our garlic cloves, minced garlic cloves. We're going to brown this a little bit and take out half of our garlic to save it for later use. Okay, before it gets too brown, we're going to get half of it and save it for our garnish before we serve our soup. Okay. Next we can add in our crushed ginger or minced ginger. And then our finely chopped white onion, and of course we can go ahead and add our chicken. Then now we can pour in our fish sauce. then we will cover this and let this cook a little bit, at least 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, now we can add our rice. Let's stir this. And then we'll add our ground black pepper. Okay, and we'll just cover this and let this cook for at least around 2 to 3 minutes again. Now after 3 minutes, we can go ahead and add our water. We have 4 cups water. And our lemongrass and a teaspoon of salt, and we'll boil this until the rice is cooked through. So rice typically cooked for 20 minutes, and looks like I need more water. So if you guys need more water, just adjust your water, put more water if you need to do that, and then adjust your seasoning accordingly. So I'll be adding at least maybe around 1 cup of water. I added warm water. Okay, and let this simmer for. So guys, this is done. So as I have said a while ago, you can definitely add more water if you like it more watery, or the consistency you like it this way, and that's good. So this is fully cooked. Rice is fully cooked. I time it and it does cook for 20 minutes. So yeah, and adjust your seasoning according to your taste, and then we can go ahead and put it in a serving bowl and have time to eat it. So this is how I set up my soup. A little bit of green onion, a little bit of chopped cilantro, the roasted garlic, a little bit of chili flakes, and chicharron of pork loins, and some eggs right there, and of course the lime wedges, and a little bit of soya. So you guys can spice up your arroz caldo some more when you serve it, and that's how I like it. A little bit of soya, and yep, that's it. That's my soup. And oh, I almost forgot, slice of chicken adobo.